everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to squint your eyes easily. These will be step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Squinting your eyes is really easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, I'm going to take off my glasses for this because with my glasses on, especially because they're all scratched up, it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing. With my glasses off, you're going to get a better view overall. So, essentially what you're going to want to start off doing is this. You're going to start doing exactly this. You're going to take your eyes, open them all the way, and then bring them slowly to close all the way. So open all the way, close all the way. That was a little bit fast, but try it a bit slower. Open all the way, close all the way. Open all the way, close all the way. Open all the way, close all the way. Now what you're going to do next is do the same thing, but close them a little bit more gently. So from open to closed, but just gently close them. Don't squeeze them shut, just gently close them. Open all the way, gently closed all the way. Open, gently closed, open, gently closed. Now what I want you to do next is do the same thing, but pay attention to the pathway that your eyelids are taking. Make sure you are understanding that there is an in-between between them being open and closed. There's an in-between, so pay attention. Try and do it slower. Open, slowly, gently closed. Open, slowly, gently closed. Open, slowly, gently closed. All right. The next thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to squint. And how we're going to accomplish that is during that pathway, we're going to stop closing our eyes before we get them to be closed, and we're going to hold them there. So from open, we're slowly closing them. Stop. There you go. There's your squint. From open, slowly close them. Stop. Don't fully close them. Stop midway. There's your squint. From open, slowly close them. Stop. There's your squint. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing, but just stop saying it. So I'm just going to keep going like that. Okay? Just like that. And practice. And then all you have to do to squint is just do that. Don't say it, but just like that. And as you practice, you're going to gain muscular control over your eyelids, which will allow you to do it more easily. So I could just be talking and go into a squint just like that. And I can just be moving around and then just into the squint, just like that. Really easy to do. So basically, you're just gonna do exactly what I told you. I mean, I don't need to say it again. It's very simple and straightforward, and that's how to squint your eyes. Yeah, follow those instructions and you'll learn how to gain muscular control over your eyelids, and therefore you'll be able to squint with your eyes in, I don't want to say no time at all, but in a very short period of time. With just a little bit of practice, you should be able to accomplish that. And that is truly it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.